In every industrial process, precision is everything. Every single parameter matters. Traditionally, monitoring critical factors like flow, pressure, temperature, and conductivity meant installing separate devices. But more instruments bring more complexity, higher costs, and relentless maintenance challenges. Introducing the ELMAG 200 NSR Multivariable Electromagnetic Flow Meter from Electronet. A revolutionary leap forward, measuring 6 key parameters in one single device for smarter, more efficient measurement. Track flow rate, velocity, temperature, conductivity, pressure, and TDS, simultaneously and in real time. Unlike standard meters that require long, straight pipe runs, the ELMAG 200 NSR requires zero upstream or downstream straight length. Its full-bore design guarantees accurate measurement, minimizes installation costs, and saves valuable facility space. Equipped with HART and Modbus protocols, it integrates seamlessly into your system for seamless, real-time remote monitoring. From measurement to complete visibility, it is the perfect fit for water and wastewater treatment plants, industrial processes, chemical and pharmaceutical processing, power and energy sectors, and food and beverage sectors. Upgrade your process with Electronet flow meters. Contact our team today to bring smarter measurement to your operations.